Hello everyone, welcome back to India Trade Talk. Today we are going to break down the key highlights from the Indian stock market's trading session on May 28th of 2024. Let's dive right in. Starting with the overall performance of the major indices. The Nifty 50 index closed at 22,888, down by about 44 points or 0.19%. The Sensex index ended at 75,170, down by 220 points or 0.29%. The Bank Nifty index was also down by 139 points or 0.28%, closing at 49,142. Now let's look at the top gainers and losers in the Nifty 100 index. Divi's Laboratories Limited was the top gainer. It rose by 3.22%, closing at 4,392 rupee following strong results in the last quarter. Next is SBI Life Insurance Company Limited, which gained 2.88%, closing at 1,450 rupee. Finally, we have United Spirits Limited, which increased by 2.8%, closing at 1,190 rupee. Among the top losers, Adani Power Limited fell by 3.68%, closing at 678.9 rupee. Next is Info Edge India Limited or Naukri, which dropped by 2.82%, ending at 6,081 rupee. Last is DLF Limited, which decreased by 2.67%, closing at 820 rupee. Now let's look at the big movers among sectoral indices. Nifty Pharma was the top performer, up by 0.54%, closing at 19,215 points. Nifty Media saw a modest gain of 0.31%, closing at 1,884 points. On the downside, Nifty PSU Bank fell by 1.28%, closing at 7,361 points. Nifty Energy was down by 1.2%, closing at 40,795 points. Here are some of the top news and events from today's trading session. The Indian Volatility Index Nifty VIX rose by 4.4% to close at 24.2 points. NMDC closed lower after reporting a net profit decline of 37.8% year-on-year to 1,412 crore rupee despite an 18.2 year-on-year rise in revenue. The rupee closed at 83.1775 against US dollar compared with its previous close at 83.13. On the global front, European markets were mostly down. London's FTSE 100 fell by 0.46%. Germany's DAX was trading down by 0.27%. France's CAC 40 index declined by 0.7%. Italy's FTSE MIB fell by 0.26%. Spain's IBEX 35 index was down by 0.15%. In the coming days, keep an eye on these upcoming events. The seventh and final phase of voting for the general elections in India will be on June 1st, with results to be declared on June 4th. Eurozone's first reading of May CPI and the US core PCE index will be released on Friday, May 31st. To summarize, today's market saw a mixed performances with most indices closing in the red. The pharma and media sectors were the bright spots, while the energy and PSU bank sectors faced significant pressure. Key stocks like Divi's Laboratories and SBI Life Insurance showed strong performances driven by positive developments. Thank you for watching India Trade Talk. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Let us know your thoughts on today's market in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates on the stock market. Have a nice day.